The Jora, the Riverstone Industries, or Miracle-Gro? Perhaps the Lifetime Outdoor Rotating Composter or the VIVOSUN? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 compost tumblers available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best compost tumblers. The 5th product on this list is the Miracle-Gro Compost Tumbler. Are you tired of the tedious task of manual composting? Say hello to the Miracle-Gro Dual Chamber Tumbling Composter. This innovative tool is designed to make your composting experience effortless and efficient. The dual chamber design allows for faster and more efficient composting all year round, providing your plants with the nutrient-dense fertilizer they need to thrive. The internal mixing bars speed up the decomposition process, so you can enjoy rich, fertile compost in just 4 to 6 weeks. One of the best things about the Miracle-Gro Compost Tumbler is that it eliminates the need for heavy lifting. The efficient tumbler system makes it easy for both beginners and seasoned green thumbs to get perfectly cooked compost without digging, turning, and mixing by hand. All you have to do is open the easy sliding door, add your scraps, and turn the handle 5 to 6 times every few days. Moreover, Miracle-Gro is a brand you can trust. As America's most trusted garden supply brand, they guarantee you'll be satisfied with their products. Once you use the compost generated by this dual chamber tumbling composter, you'll enjoy bigger harvests, healthier plants, and your most beautiful gardens. And to make your gardening experience even better, the composter comes with a pair of Scott's multi-purpose gardening gloves that are latex-free, water-resistant, and feature a no-slip grip, perfect for indoor and outdoor projects. It's an excellent investment for any gardener looking to improve their garden's growth and health. Its pros are, it has a dual design which makes it faster at creating usable compost, its tumbler system is effective and easy to use, and it has a user-friendly sliding door, making it ideal for beginners. However, it may be too small for large-scale composting. The Miracle-Gro Compost Tumbler is a great product because it saves you time and effort when making compost. Up next in 4th place is the VIVOSUN Outdoor Tumbling Composter. If you're looking for a more efficient and effortless way to compost, look no further than the Twin Chamber Tumbling Composter. This innovative tool is designed to streamline your composting process with its unique twin chamber design. One side can finish composting while the other side is available to add new waste, creating an uninterrupted stream of nutritious fertilizer. The 360-degree tumbling design makes it easy to turn the compost bin without the need for digging or mixing by hand. The deep fins on 8 panels make it even easier to turn, saving you time and effort. The deep fins also help to better break up clumps, which is essential for the complete fermentation of oxygen. And the excellent aeration system ensures that the air fully circulates inside the composter, preventing any explosions due to excessive internal pressure. Constructed of a premium metal frame and high-quality PP plastic body, the composter is built to last and provide long-lasting service. And to make your gardening experience even better, the composter comes with a pair of gloves that not only protect your hands from injury, but are also waterproof. These gloves will be your go-to for all your gardening needs. All this makes the Twin Chamber Tumbling Composter an excellent solution for efficient and easy composting. With its twin chamber design, tumbling design, superior aeration, and sturdy and durable construction, this composter is a must-have for any serious gardener. And with the added bonus of the included garden gloves, you'll be able to work in your garden in comfort and style. Its pros are, it has an excellent aeration system that ensures that the air fully circulates inside the composter. It comes with waterproof gardening gloves, and it is made with a sturdy and durable design. However, it is somewhat of a pain to put together. The VIVOSUN Outdoor Tumbling Composter is fantastic for those who need an easier way to get nutrients back into the soil of their gardens. Still haven't found a compost tumbler that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The 3rd product on this list is the Lifetime Outdoor Rotating Composter. Introducing the Lifetime Dual Compost Tumbler, the ultimate solution for easy and efficient outdoor garden waste composting. With 2 50-gallon tumblers, you can easily batch compost and have a steady supply of ready-to-use compost. The tumbler design is an easy composting tool that has both tumblers turning for a better rotation, and it has an aeration bar that mixes compost and provides airflow. This ensures that your compost breaks down in the most efficient way possible. Constructed of high-density polyethylene, the dual compost tumbler is made with durable UV-protected and has dark double-wall panels to absorb and retain heat. This ensures that your compost will break down quickly and efficiently. For added convenience, the tumbler features an extra-large removable lid and a spring-loaded pin that locks rotation during filling. This makes it easy to add waste and keep the composting process going. We think this unit is an excellent investment for any gardener looking to improve their garden's growth and health. Its easy-to-use design, durable construction, and efficient composting make it a must-have for any serious gardener. With the end result being an inexpensive organic soil conditioner and fertilizer, you can improve your garden's growth without breaking the bank. Get your hands on the lifetime dual compost tumbler today and take the first step towards a healthier and more sustainable garden. Its pros are: it has an internal aeration bar that mixes compost and provides better airflow. It has a tumbler that is resistant to weather and UV light, so it won't degrade over time. And it has an extra-large removable lid and a spring-loaded pin that locks rotation. However, it may be too heavy to move around. The Lifetime Outdoor Rotating Composter is a well-constructed unit that will help improve the quality of your compost. The second product on this list is the Jora Composter JK 270. The next product on this list has a brilliant tumbler design that allows for ease of use and simplicity of rotation. A compost bin outdoor tumbler is divided into two chambers, so while one compartment is filling, the compost in the other chamber matures. Unlike most outdoor composting bins, the sound, food-grade, non-toxic insulation in the Jora Backyard Composter allows the temperatures to rise to higher than 160 degrees Fahrenheit, resulting in quick and efficient composting. The JK 270 is a large compost bucket with a volume of up to 70 gallons and a capacity of 7 to 8 gallons a week. Keep the composter outdoor bin in a convenient place outside, where you can quickly dispose of waste in an efficient, environmentally friendly manner. The Jora Composter is one of the few compost bins with side vents, allowing oxygen flow into the compost bin, which results in a successful compost. Not only does the Jora Composter bring convenience to your composting routine, but it also adds a touch of attractiveness to your backyard. This compost machine is made from galvanized steel, making it more durable, longer lasting, and attractive in your backyard. Lastly, the Jora is an excellent option for anyone looking for an environmentally friendly operation that will help you improve your garden's growth while reducing waste. Its pros are: it has excellent insulation that ensures internal stability to allow for quick and efficient composting. It has side vents that allow for a flow of oxygen into the compost. And it has a rugged yet attractive design made from galvanized steel. However, it's quite difficult to assemble on your own, as there are parts that need to be held and pushed at the same time while you screw sections in at awkward angles. The Jora Composter JK 270 is a fantastic tool to help you get started and improve your composting capabilities. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, the top compost tumbler is the Riverstone Industries Maze. Are you looking for a way to quickly and easily create a bountiful supply of nutrient-rich compost for your garden? Look no further than the Riverstone Industries Maze. With its dual chambers and 65-gallon total capacity, this compost tumbler has ample space to handle all of your composting needs. One of the standout features of this compost tumbler is its ratcheted crank arm, which makes turning the tumbler a breeze. The arm locks in place when not in use, so you can easily turn the tumbler when necessary and keep it securely in place when you're done. The tumbler also boasts multiple adjustable air vents to regulate the temperature inside the unit. Built to withstand the elements and last for years of use, this compost tumbler and cart assortment is constructed with heavy-duty plastic and metal. And with the included wheeled cart, transporting the compost from the tumbler to your garden is a cinch. Even better, the cart has a capacity of 12 gallons and measures 26.4 inches by 22.8 inches by 11.8 inches, so you'll be able to make plenty of compost throughout the year. Overall, we think that this unit is an outstanding choice for anyone looking to create a large quantity of high-quality compost quickly and efficiently. Its pros are: it has adjustable air vents for temperature control and more effective composting. It has heavy-duty plastic and metal construction for durability and longevity. It has included wheeled cart for easy transport of compost, and it has a total capacity of 65 gallons for efficient and large-scale composting. However, it sits a bit lower to the ground than other composters, so you need to make sure it is properly sealed or vermin may try to get in. The Riverstone Industries maze is an innovative product that is a must-have for any green-thumbed gardener looking to easily create and transport top-notch compost. Say goodbye to the hassle and hello to a streamlined composting process. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.